Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Question number 6. Part C is x square minus 2x minus 35 equals to 0. Now we have to solve by completing square. So first of all, we will shift the constant value on the other side of equal. So it will be equals to 35. Then we will apply the completing square formula, which is x plus b by 2 minus whole square minus b by 2 whole square. So we will substitute the values in the given formula. X will remain same, but what is the b by 2? B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. So it means the b by 2 would be equals to minus 2 by 2, which is equal minus 1. So here x we will keep same, plus minus makes minus 1 whole square b by 2 is plus, and the b value is minus, b by 2 is minus 1, so plus minus thus makes minus, and then b by 2 is 1. Same we will do here, minus 1 square equals to 35. This is the quadratic equation, so we need to find the value of x. So x minus 1 whole square we will keep same, minus 1 square will be plus, and then it becomes minus 1 equals to 35. After that we will shift the constant value on the other side, it becomes 35 plus 1. So now we will add together the constant values. X minus 1 whole square equals to 36. Then to find the value of x, we need to take the root on both sides because we need to remove the square here. So when you will take the root on both sides, with the constant value we have to put the plus minus sign. So now the root and the square will cancel out. So x minus 1 equals to plus minus root of 36 is 6. Now we will shift the constant value on the other side. It becomes plus 1, then plus minus 6. Now we have to find the two values because plus and minus 6 we have. So let's put separately 1 minus 6, and then x is equals to 1 plus 6. At the end we will get the two values. 1 minus 6 is minus 5, and 1 plus 6 would be equals to 7. This was the quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation, always we will get the two solutions. X is equals to minus 7 and 5. Part D is x square minus 9x plus 14 equals to 0. Now, again, first we have to shift the constant value on the other side of equal. It becomes minus 14. Then we will apply here the completing square formula because we need to solve by completing square. So it would be x minus x plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square. Now x we will keep same. Find the b by 2. B is the coefficient of x. So b by 2 would be equals to minus 9 by 2. So let's substitute the values in this formula. X we will keep same, plus, and then b by 2 is minus 9 by 2 whole square minus, then minus 9 by 2 whole square. So here x and plus minus makes minus, 9 by 2 whole square, it's equals to minus 14. Then minus square becomes the plus, and minus 9 by 2 whole square equals to minus 14. So here x minus 9 by 2 whole square we will keep same, and then minus 9 square is 81 divided by 2 square is 4 equals to minus 14. Then we will shift the constant value on the other side. So x minus 9 by 2 whole square, which is equals to 81 over 4 minus 14 over 1. There is no denominator, it would be 1. So to simplify these constant values means we have the two fractions with minus sign. So we need to make same denominator. Make same denominators. So how can we make the same denominators? We have to multiply and divide the one fraction with the other denominator. So here the denominator is 4. We can make here also 4 if we will multiply this with 4 and divide with 4, right? So now means the second fraction we need to multiply with 4. So the value would be here x minus 9 over 2 whole square, which is equals to 81 over 4 minus 14 times 4 is 56 divided by 4. Now after getting the same denominator, we need to take the LCM. LCM method is first find the lowest common denominator. So the lowest common denominator between these values 4 and 1. 4 and 1 is 4. Lowest common denominator is 4. So when the denominators are same, you will just put the ones, the LCM is 4, and write down the top values together. Thus, at the end, x minus 9 by 2, again we will keep same. So 81 minus 50, 56, it would be 25 over 4. So here again now we need to remove the square to find the value of x. So we will take the root on both sides. So when you will take root both sides, you have to put here plus minus sign. So here the square and the root will cancel out. Now x minus 9 over equals to 5. The root of the 25 is 5. The root of the 4 would be the 2. Then here constant value we will shift on the other side, because to find the value of x we need to make the x subject. Subject means at one side of equal it should be single, no value with the x here, it would be here. So 9 by 2 plus minus 5 over 2. When we will shift this on other side, minus sign will becomes plus. Now we will put separately because the 5 by 2 has positive sign and also negative sign. Then x is equals to 9 over 2 minus 5 over 2. Now here we have the two fractions but with same denominators. So just we will take the LCM. LCM is 2, and if denominators are same, you will write ones, and the numerators you need to write together. At the second one, we will do the same. New denominators are same, write ones, and the numerators comes here. So now x is equals to 9 plus 5 is 14 over 2. Then the second time x is equals to 4 over 2. Then 14 over 2 x would be the 7, and x is equals to 4 over 2 is 2. So finally the answer we got for the x, which is equals to 2 and 7.